Witness the drama unfold as entitled individuals face the consequences of their actions.
Get out of the car now!
Get out of the car!
Oh my God! I told you to pull into the school and you took off and floored it. I don't want to go to jail.
From bar brawls to traffic stops and outrageous excuses, these real-life encounters will leave you speechless.
Can I come in? Can I get out of my car? You're not my boss, you're not my daddy. Don't give a fuck! I don't want to go to the ground! What are you doing?
First, meet Trinity. She's extremely drunk, has been banned from the bar because she's harassing the customers and causing a scene, and the police have been called to handle the situation.
Regular bar shit. I just want this girl trespassing the bar, so when she goes back, then she'll actually get in trouble this time.
So she needs.
Just don't let her know you're calling us.
From here.
Call us and hopefully we'll get her when she's here.
She knew that already, but she came in here trying to fight one of our dinners. Just thought you were messing with him and run around. Well, I locked the door. I locked the door, and that's why I think she realized that we were like serious.
The bartender explains the situation to the officers, revealing that the woman, Trinity, had already been banned from the bar and returned, causing a scene.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we go get him? Yeah, sure.
So what do we want to talk about?
Well, we're gonna go get the bartender. She's gonna say something to you in front of us, and then we'll get out of here in a few minutes. Okay.
So the bartender directly wants to say something to Trinity. Me?
You're Trinity, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The bartender wants to say something to you, so
Okay.
we're gonna bring her down
Outside.
here. We're just gonna wait here. We'll bring her down here. Okay.
Okay.
What happened tonight?
I literally came here. They've known me since I'm 24 now. They've been serving me since I've been 19.
I hope not, because that's illegal.
Yeah, that is illegal as for them to do.
You should call the state liquor board then. 'Cause
I
they're the
would
ones that-
never do that. I'm not a snitch.
We're closed. I'm wrong.
Hey? No, hey.
Come see us tomorrow.
So she said that you've been banned from this location before. And
They
maybe you
say
forgot
that.
about
Maybe.
Maybe. Is there some truth to that? Maybe.
I don't know. Are you gonna arrest?
Trinity's evasiveness only complicates matters, as she half-heartedly acknowledges her previous ban from the bar.
It's not something I can enforce. Now, trespassing, on the other hand, that.
I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to
Say you're
justice
going
Pike.
to jail.
I will be honest with you, though, Officer
Higgins.
Higgins. Okay. I'm a single mother.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, right? I have the hiccups.
Alcohol does that to you.
Right. So therefore, yes, I frequent at this bar a lot. And there are a lot of these bartenders in here trying to.
All right, Trinity. She's going to say something real quick.
Hey, Trinity, you're trespassing the bar.
I'm trespassing the bar, Abby.
Hey, you're good. Don't do it
All
Yeah.
right.
You're good.
You're good. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, Trinity. Here's what happens. Trinity.
Bye, Abby.
Trinity.
Let me get
Goodbye,
your,
Abby.
Trinity, I need you to listen to me now. If you come back to this location, you could be arrested for trespassing, okay? All right, we're going to take a report, and then you can go home. Hopefully you've got a ride.
The officers issue a clear warning, attempting to de-escalate the situation by explaining the potential legal consequences.
Because we're going to hang around, and if you...
So
spend your money on
can
another-
I
Get an Uber.
understand that I process all this? So they talking about they put a report for me,
We're taking a report tonight.
so I can't be back here
Correct.
To that
To
bar.
the bar.
because they are some stupid pussy ass bitches.
To the bar.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, that's their establishment.
Yeah.
They make those rules.
Ma'am, can I get your phone number?
So if I come
Trinity, he has a question for you.
Can I get your
Right.
phone number?
614.
Okay.
So I'm asking you,
I'm sorry,
Mr.
ma'am. Can I grab your date of birth real quick? Okay. And where you stay at, ma'am?
Is that all necessary?
Yes.
For what?
We're taking a trespassing report. You are legally required to give us your address.
Oh, so I'm like a Trent.
You're
like,
not being charged, but
Yeah.
you still have to provide us with that information.
The officers gave Trinity one last chance to comply and avoid arrest, but she didn't listen. A few moments later,
Okay. Here we go.
you listen? All right, show's over, guys. Show's over.
Trinity, we gave you a chance.
Trinity, we even offered you a ride home.
Despite the officer's attempts to help, Trinity's actions forced them to arrest her, ending the night on a somber note.
I'm not mad, I'm disappointed.
Yeah, that school let all of them laugh. Think it's funny. Think it's funny as fuck. Think it's funny as fuck.
Please.
We got him. We got him.
Bitch, you're not the officer, they are.
All right, stand up.
Stand up. Go. Trinity, you all right? You need a medic?
No.
Trinity is finally taken into custody, marking the conclusion of a chaotic and avoidable confrontation. On March 8, 2023, in Orange County, Florida, a routine traffic stop spirals out of control as Jasmine confronts the officer with defiance.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Marvin, happy for block control.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
The officer explains the reasons for the stop, revealing Jasmine's suspended license and unresolved issues, which she vehemently denies.
Yeah, that's it. You didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse, I
Okay.
made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera thing.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a month.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here? Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
Oh, that's the correct house.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just
113508, Columbia Beach, 36,
Okay.
36. Black male, older, black.
I'll be right back. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever
Okay,
I want. If I
ma'am.
can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
The situation escalates when Jasmine exits her vehicle, challenging the officer's authority and refusing to comply.
You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court
I
ruling
need
that
to
says you
back
need to
up.
get back in your car.
Supreme Court
Now
rule?
get back in
Let
your
me
car.
see it. Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself. And
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR
things.
suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything
I
up.
show you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
The officer cites legal precedents, but Jasmine continues to argue, heightening the tension. The officer informs Jasmine of the impending impoundment, further fueling her anger and resistance.
Why didn't she tell me that? I asked her any other problem. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is. I will give you all the court.
Car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. So you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
Because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and drive again.
I went to the courthouse and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job. I can't help that.
Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am, go stand by your car.
And then you're gonna fucking tell me
Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car.
Yesterday I paid over $200
Ma'am,
for the fucking car.
you're this close to going to jail.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
You're trying to take my
You're this close to go to jail. Go have a seat by your car.
Jasmine attempts to flee, leading to a physical confrontation and her eventual arrest.
Don't let her go.
Two 41 unit track.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're hurting
Relax.
me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do it. Get off of me.
Go to the ground.
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my kids. No, you are not putting things on me. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting.
Get off of me, please! I'm only 130 pounds!
Stand up.
My arm!
Stand up.
Get into my hand!
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck? Oh my god, what did I get my kids? What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the
Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop. Get in, it's all on video. Get in. Get in.
Jasmine continues to plead her case, but the evidence is clear, and her fate is sealed.
Who's gonna feed my fucking kids? Who's gonna put my fucking kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse and they wanna go to Disney and I can't even fucking...
Jasmine was charged with resisting an officer with violence, obstruction without violence, and fleeing and eluding police. She faces up to 5 years in prison if convicted. On May 5, 2023, in Orange County, Florida, a woman speeds through a school zone, leading to a dramatic police chase and confrontation.
Okay, so when I tell you to stop your car, stop the car. Go ahead and get on out. Get out your car. Get out your car.
I'm not getting out of my car for you.
Okay. Kayla, unlock the doors now or else we're going to take you out of the vehicle ourselves. Does her shirt say Cappies? Oh, you work at Cappies. Oh, okay. I'll make sure that they know what's going on here. Kayla, if you don't undo your window or unlock the door, we're coming in, my friend, so you better do it. Make a good decision. Yeah, she's a little on the heavier side, too.
One of those two things is going to happen. Because you're told to get out, period.
You already fled from me back in the school. I told you to turn into the parking lot, and you fled from me. That's why we are stopping you.
We're not going to argue about this.
I do not care who officer anything.
You got in trouble for clocking people when you don't have a gun.
Quit dropping names. This has nothing to do with
Unlock
that.
your door.
Okay. Hey, stay 10-12. I'm going to get a window punch.
I got a punch.
Oh, he has a punch.
Oh, it's fine. Open the door. There you go.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
You want to act
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Oh my God!
Get out of the car. Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, Siri, call Brady!
Get your
Siri, call Brady!
hand behind your back.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Relax.
I'm pregnant. You're
Put
hurting
your hand
me.
behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I'm pregnant.
Just
You're
listen.
hurting
Just
me.
listen to her.
If you would have listened the first time, we should not be in this situation, correct? Correct. I told you to pull into the school and you took it and you took off and floored it. If you would have pulled into the school, we wouldn't be in this situation, Kayla.
Sit up. Get on your knees.
I can't.
Get on your knees. Roll over then. Sit up.
It's too listen. Can you please pull my shirt down? Please, I'm exposed, please.
Stand up for me.
4031.
I can't. This is really tight on my wrist. It's gonna hurt if I pull up. I promise.
That's your problem. Get up.
Listen, I'm not getting up.
Get up, Kayla.
I did it. I play this game. What about you? But I'm telling you, what are you doing right now?
The officers physically remove Kayla from the car, leading to a struggle as she continues to resist arrest.
What am I going to jail for? I didn't
Fleeing and eluding. Fleeing and eluding. I told you.
The woman admits to having marijuana, and as the officer searches her, she reveals its highly personal hiding place.
If you even dare to try to take off once I uncuff you, I'm going to take this off and you're going to dig in there and you're going to get it out. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're really done trying to take off right now.
I'm not gonna run.
So you ran for me because you have weed in your vagina.
You realize if you bring more into the jail, it's a felony, right?
I don't please don't
Thank you.
take me to jail.
No, you're going to jail, my friend. That's where we're going.
You should have thought of that before.
I told you to pull over, you said screw you, and you took off down Sandspur. All right? Wrong move. Wrong move. I wasn't even going to write you a ticket. I wasn't going to do anything. But now, you've done screwed this situation up.
You don't lose your rights.
Okay. Well, you do.
Yeah, you just lost your right to drive right now.
Go to law school. You're under arrest. You lose your rights.
Kayla realizes the gravity of her actions too late, as the officers detail the consequences of her choices.
Because I can't even cash my
You should have thought
check.
about that earlier.
My check is right there in my seat. I need to
You
cash
can't feed your
it.
kids, but you got that. That's sweet.
That's not even mine. That's my boyfriend's.
Okay, well.
Please. Please. Please, I'm begging
Come
you.
back here. No, come on.
I can't even get my shoes or nothing.
The officer recounts the events, justifying the charges against Kayla, as her actions lead to serious legal repercussions.
He was running radar, and I was in front of the school, and I could see clearly she was doing, I want to say at least 35. But
That's exactly what I said,
28.
35.
You had her at 28, but visual estimate 35.
I got a clock at 28, but
So-
visually she was doing 35 when she passed.
I'm gonna write her on the clock though. But thing of it is that then I could smell the weed.
Yeah, I
said
could smell it
something, but I
immediately.
did. I said, because all I was gonna do is tell her to slow down, take a 10-8. That's it. No time for this. So I was like, you got weed in your car too? Go ahead and pull in there. Boom, dude, she took off. I shouldn't have said it. You know, looking back. But anyways.
Well, get it for fleeing.
I'm gonna get her for fleeing. And for the resisting because she wouldn't get out of the car.
The suspect was charged with 1 count of resisting an officer without violence and received a $500 bond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into real-life encounters with law enforcement.